Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Pay with the Taco Bell app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for pickup or delivery on Taco Bell, but you want to go ahead and use Apple Pay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Taco Bell app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Payments on the middle-hand side, then click on Payment Options. Now you're going to see a variety of different payment methods here. Go ahead and click on Apple Pay towards the bottom, and then this is how you set Apple Pay to your default payment method. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Apple Pay with the Taco Bell app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.